Good evening, Life Changers. Dito ko ngayon sa Ortigas to meet another Life Changer sa team natin to update them. Kakagaling ko lang sa SM Aura. Minute ko yung mga members natin doon, mga leaders natin. Then before that, I just want to share to you one of the crucial topic in doing this business. It is all about the art of commitment. Mga kaibigan, ibang-iba po ang ibig sabihin ng I wish to do royal and I'm decided to do royal. For me po, wishing is just hoping, and deciding is committing. Magkakaiba po talaga ang ibig sabihin ng sana o gagawin ko ang royal sa desidido po akong gawin ng royal. If I'm going to ask you, are you really decided to do royal? Because if you are decided to do royal, ladies and gentlemen, no one can stop you. Umaraw man, umulan man, you have a problem man, may negative man sa buhay mo, no one, walang-wala po talaga makakapigil sa inyo. And in doing royal po, napakahalaga po ang tinatawag natin, knowing your reason and why you're doing royal. It may be because of your family, or maybe because of yourself, or kung gusto mong kumita. Basta, if you really find that reason, magagawa nyo po yung royal no matter what it takes. And I'm hoping because of our system, because of RAPS, because of our team, God will really prosper you, and God will really bless you a lot. And because of that blessing, you can really share that blessing to everyone. It is how many days, almost 90 days before Christmas, and I hope and I pray na pagdating ng Pasko, you will say and you will post it on your Facebook. Napakasarap po talaga ng Pasko kapag kasama ang pamilya and you hit your goal pagdating ng Pasko natin this year. Again, see you on Saturday for our REC. God bless. To God be the glory. Wraps it up.